is Hannah and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a very quick video about Baguette rhinestones, specifically how to measure them so you can get the right replacement. I find that they're a little tricky and it can be hard to find the right size, measure it correctly to get what you need. So first of all, I have this vintage Boucher Art Deco brooch, and I have these sapphire blue rhinestones missing there, and I wanted to replace the stones so that I could sell them. Of course, you know, you may have something in your collection you would like to repair. So I'm going to show you how to get the right stone. Color can also be difficult, but that's a different subject. So here's the replacement stone I bought. Now, you will probably need to pop out one of these stones, and it would be best to replace them all anyway so they all look uniform. But I think it's important that you use vintage stones, so new old stock. And a great place to find them is Etsy and eBay. So I had popped out a stone and the foil backing came off, which is typical. And you see the Baguette has like a flat side over here and then like a pointed end. That's typically how Baguettes are, and the pointed end goes down into the setting. Now, to measure these, you need digital calipers. Now, this one's by the Beadsmith, and I think I got this on Amazon or eBay. You can get it at a craft store, maybe even a big box store. Like Walmart would have something like this, and it took a little button battery, and you can actually use this without the battery, which is what I did at first, but you just slide it and it shows you the measurements. You want to take the calipers and get it pretty even, like that's crooked. You don't want to do that. That's not going to give you the right reading. That's pretty close. And that's about, you're going to say 5 millimeters. These rhinestones will be just a tad smaller than what the actual measurement you will search for. And then you also want to measure the width. So take your stone like so. You don't want to measure it like that. That's the height of the stone from the pointed end to the flat end. You want to do from side to side. So that says 1.7. You're going to round that to 2. So this is a 5x2 Baguette. And I just wrote down the exact measurement I had gotten because I wasn't quite sure how to search, but I did get the right one by searching 5 millimeters by 2 millimeters. So I went on Etsy, I typed in 5 by 2 millimeters, I put the color I needed. I needed a sapphire blue. Not everybody will put like the right color. You might want to search a general color first, so like blue. But I knew that this was a sapphire blue color, and I found that. A great place to look, I ordered these from Mr. Stones, and he is on Etsy. Great selection, a lot of baguettes, and this size and color were not easy to find. So I got, I believe that's 24. This is also called a Montana Blue Sapphire. So there you go. Now there are also a different type of baguette. I'll show a picture of it, and it's a tapered baguette. One end, the width is wider than the other, so you're gonna have to measure each sides. And so it'll look like, let's say I had a baguette 5 millimeters long, and then let's say this end was like 3. So I measure it like that. And then on the other end, I would measure the width, and it would be like 1. So you would do 5 by 3 by 1 would be the size of your baguette that you would search. So that is all, and I hope that was helpful to you and you can find the right stone. So yeah, give this video a like and subscribe so you can see more new videos that I will come out with. I try to focus on how-to videos, educational videos. I'm very enthusiastic about glass beads, vintage antique glass beads. I love repairing jewelry and also designing jewelry with vintage components, upcycle pieces. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned and see more comment that I will come out. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you soon.